want to know how to turn on dark mode in Excel? Okay, let's go. Now I'm going to tell you that. First, we need to go File menu, and here lower left corner you can see Account. Click it, and now you can see Office Theme. Open the list and select Black. Okay, let's go and see what happened. Wow, but still this is space in white and I need to change this also. Let's go to the page layout and click background like this. And here you need to remember that your internet connection should be in activate mode. And in this search bar, type whatever you want. And here I like to search Dutch weather. Wow, within few seconds you will have lots of images which are totally free to use like this. And I like this image and select and insert. And here we go. Wow, now you have super powerful black Excel spreadsheet like this, and I think this will definitely refresh your mind.